Hey everyone, before we dive in, if you want to boost your credit score and bag yourself a cheeky discount, make sure to click the link in the description below. Go on, treat yourself. Alright, let's crack on. So let's be real, credit scores can be proper confusing, right? It's like you want to move out, get a car, or even just qualify for a phone contract and suddenly you're judged by a mysterious number you didn't even know existed. But I've got your back. Today, I'm talking about Kovo. A super easy credit builder loan that's perfect if you're just starting out, or if your credit score is, let's say, a bit meh. Now here's the deal. Kovo isn't like a regular loan where you get a bunch of cash up front. Nah, with Kovo you pay a small monthly amount, think less than the price of a takeaway, and they report your payments to all the major credit bureaus. That means every on-time payment you make helps build your credit history, making you look like a financial superstar. And get this, no hard credit check. So if you've been rejected before, or you're worried about dinging your score, don't stress. Kovo makes it super accessible, even if you're just getting started, or if you've had a couple of bumps along the way. You can set up your Kovo account in literally 5 minutes. No paperwork, no stress, and you can do it in your pajamas. I mean, that's how I do most things anyway. Once you're set up, you'll get regular updates on how your score is improving. Trust me, it's a nice little boost to see those numbers go up. Plus, with Kovo, you're not just building credit, you're also getting access to financial education resources. So you're not only leveling up your score, but your money smarts too. It's like a glow up for your wallet. So if you're keen to make adulting a little easier, check out the link below for your special offer. It's time to stop letting your credit score hold you back and start building the future you want. Go on. Give yourself the head start you deserve. Click that link, get your discount, and let's get those credit scores climbing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.